Dear friends, let's discuss 3 marks questions of the topic reproduction in organisms. Okay, now these are very important questions for your public exam in final exam. If you see the 3 marks question, first question, distinguish between asexual and sexual reproduction. Why is vegetative reproduction is also considered as a type of asexual reproduction? Actually, distinguish between sexual and asexual reproduction. What are the differences between these two? Why is vegetative and bodily reproduction is always considered as type of as a type of asexual reproduction? This question will come. It too has some importance in the second PU. Okay, next, which is a better mode of reproduction, sexual or asexual? Why? This question may come. Actually, better mode of reproduction, whether it is sexual or asexual, why? This question has a very good chance of getting, it's coming in the final exam. Actually, sexual reproduction is a better mode of reproduction. It allows the formation of new variants by the combination of DNA. So this question may come. It's also very important. You can see it. Next, what is asexual reproduction? Mention its features. What is asexual reproduction? Mention its features. Sexual reproduction means we know it's a simple definition that it doesn't involve fusion. That is a simple thing, fusion of gametes. And features are uniparental somatic cells are involved. Production of asexual spores by mitosis. Offsprings are genetically similar. So this question is general question. We may get it. What is reproduction? These are all basic questions. We don't expect these things. These questions we don't expect. Define the following examples. So these are also basic questions and fundamental questions. Basics. Bisexual animals are what? Unisexual and what are unisexual? Homothallic plants. This may come. Homothallic plants and heterothallic plants. Here, if you see bisexual, these are plants. Bisexual plants are called homothallic. Heterothallic means unisexual. So this point also you have to remember. This may come in the these are important for a half mark or 1 mark or like that. Next, this is also basic question we cannot expect, but it was asked long back 2 times. It was asked, not only 1 time. What are hermaphrodites? It's a simple direct question. It is a hermaphrodite means bisexual animals. We call them bisexual animals. Okay, examples also they gave earthworm, etc., etc. So we can have this. So it's a simple. That is also a very important question. You can read them in detail. I will discuss each and every question, and I will talk. I will discuss about all this. See, this question is very important. Differences between say external and internal fertilization. This is also basic question, but is very important. External fertilization which occurs outside the body of an organism, and internal, inside the body that are okay. So you can you also observe this question. Viviparous and oviparous. This question also may come. These are also very important. Oviparous means egg layers. Viviparous means baby layers. Okay, so that question also it too will come. That is also a very important question. Next, name a sexual reproductive structure in Hydra. This is a Hydra in budding Chlamydomonas, zoospores, and conidia. Penicillin is conidia. Deeply, we have to discuss conidia, conidial structure. See, everything we have to read very deeply. Otherwise, you don't get marks. Basic and top to each and every point you should know. Each and every point you should understand and keenly, very very keen points. You have to go to that every very minute points, and then only you can gain good marks. So my advice is you always don't take any question simple and silly. Take them very serious. What is heterothallic condition? Differentiate between staminate and pistillate flowers. This question is very important. So staminate and pistillate, this will be asked, this was asked many times in the past. This is just in June 2015, we are July 2015 we are seeing. After that also it was it has it came, it came many times. So why are meiosis and gametogenesis are always interlinked? This question is a little bit trustworthy and something very fine question. See, why are meiosis, we all know reduction division, and gametogenesis. Gametogenesis is the process in which gametes are produced by involved by using meiosis. Meiosis itself in turn, it only releases gametes. So gametogenesis is nothing but the usage of meiotic process. So this question is a little bit confusingly they are asking. They just typically they are asking, but both are same. So if we don't concentrate, if we think that it is a different question, you may lose marks. So don't get confused. Next, differences between menstrual cycle and estrous cycle. Menstrual cycle occurs in the mostly it occurs in the primate animal mammals like humans and little monkeys, etc. But estrous cycle is we find in the some animals like cows, sheep, etc., etc. Their um, uh, non-primate animals it were. Yeah, so menstruation is reabsorbed in the body. See here, broken endometrium and bleeding occurs. Here doesn't. So that question is very very important, and you can concentrate on it also. Next, mention vegetative propagation of the following plants: water, hyacinth, and agave and banana. This question also simple question. One more question. It may also be vegan. So, my dear friends, I think these questions you understand. I will try to give this PDF in the description. You can download it, and if you want to get some very important my next videos related to biology, just subscribe to our this channel, and all the best.